Have to recognize that addiction is not a moral failing. It's a chronic illness.
The U.S. Surgeon General calling attention to the growing addiction epidemic in this country. A new report finds 1 in 7 Americans will face drug or alcohol addiction during their lifetime, but only 10%, 1 out of 10 of those people now addicted will receive treatment.
The Surgeon General says besides allocating more money to prevention and treatment programs, our culture needs to treat addiction as a disease, not a moral flaw.
We know how to solve this problem. Prevention works, treatment is effective, and recovery is possible for everyone.
Now, this report couldn't come soon enough for leaders in the treatment community. Cities like Delray Beach have seen the number of people overdosing shatter previous records. News Channel 5's Charlie Keegan spoke with one former addict about how shining a light on the issue is the first step toward solving it.
I always felt like an outsider.
James Fata found an escape at the end of a syringe.
Not having to deal with absolutely anything.
Soon, his addiction to heroin took control. Relationships gone. Legal troubles mounted. And on his 3rd visit to the hospital, his parents had one message.
They told me that they were expecting me to die. And I said, I want to get help now.
Now James is helping others.
I've been sober 3 years.
He works at Life of Purpose in Boca Raton. The center helps young adults conquer substance abuse and addiction.
The magnitude of it is unbelievable.
Executive Director Chad Kohler told me the U.S. Surgeon General's report is spot on. He believes healthcare professionals need to treat addiction for what it is, a neurological disease.
I think that's how we have to look at it if we're going to really tackle this in a meaningful and impactful way.
What he's put out is music to my ears.
James said changing the approach to addiction will encourage more people to get help and feel like less of an outsider. It was the Surgeon General's report in 1964 that changed the way Americans perceive cigarettes and tobacco. Already some are saying this report could have similar impacts on how Americans perceive addiction. In Boca Raton, Charlie Keegan, WPTV News Channel 5.